What's up, y'all? So we're back here with another simple explanation of a definition when it comes to your digital marketing. And again, this channel is for beginners or just anybody. You can be a beginner or you can be somebody who's already in digital marketing, but you just want to be a little more sharper on your skills of definitions and what words mean, terms. So we're going to talk about the algorithm. Okay, so here's the definition. The system platforms used to decide who sees content. So let me say it one more time. The algorithm is the system that social media platforms use, and it decides who sees what. So for example, when you're on the feed, you're on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, and you're scrolling on like that For You page, and the stuff is all showing up, it's typically things that you like, things that you want to interact with. Okay, that's not by accident. It's not just a sign from the universe. It could be, but what that is an algorithm. That's an AI calculated system designed to give you what you want. Now, one way that this works is you get a video that pops up on your feed, and then you'll either like double tap it, which is like, you'll comment it, you'll share it. What's some other things? Repost, you'll save it, whatever it is. You may download it. And what that tells the algorithm, that's like high-fiving the algorithm. You know, when you do a double tap or you like it, you're giving the algorithm a high five, like yes, or a thumbs up. I like that. And the algorithm is always looking for the videos that you like. So what's going to happen then is it's going to keep on showing you those videos. Now, why would they want to do this? Yeah, maybe they like you, sure. But I think the better explanation is this. Apps make money from the users being on their platforms for a longer time. So when a video pops up on your feed and you actually like it and it resonates with you, you're more than likely to stay and watch the full video, which then keeps you on their platform for longer. And then more ads can be shown to you, more sponsorships, things like that. One example is TikTok. TikTok always pushes videos that make you watch and stay on their app for a long time. So something that's entertaining, it's punchy, it's quick, might be motivational. They always push those type of videos. The reason why understanding the algorithm and how it works is important is because it directly impacts your reach. It impacts the reach of your content and your videos. So although it doesn't directly impact your revenue, it ultimately will indirectly increase your revenue. What this looks like in your own content, say you're starting a YouTube channel or whatever social media channel it is. What it looks like is you want to have consistency across your cover photo, like the words in it, your bio, description, your pinned comments, and then all of your videos and content, you want them to all be based around the same thing. So for example, my videos are aimed towards helping people understand what digital marketing is and breaking it down for the beginner or the person who just needs a little more help. And if you have that same consistency across the board, across all your videos, across your channel, and you talk about the same things in every video, then the algorithm is very smart. It's an AI system. The algorithm will pick up on that, understand that, and it'll push your content out to more people, and then you'll get more views, eyes, subscribers, and followers. Okay, so that's the algorithm in a nutshell. There is some deeper stuff, there is some more shallow stuff, but all in all, that's pretty much what the algorithm is. That's pretty much all the information you need for you to go out there and be effective in your social media journey. So look, please be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna go over as much digital marketing stuff as I can. Actually, right here in front of me, I got notes here. I have 200 definitions. So this is only the second one I've gone over. I got a bunch more coming and a bunch more examples.